Share this video, guys. I greet you all with better star water right there. You understand? Oh yeah, now let's go there. My people, I greet you now with better style. When I come see the girl with my boyfriend for Italy. Queen, where they call himself favor for Vicenza. Wait, my boyfriend. This is a homeboy, a Wotubu boy. This guy is my Wotubu. Nobody will know this guy for what to Bukato market. Now slaughter they kick out for what to Bukato market. Now this girl boss in Brokos with stabby knife. Don't you want Musala go for abroad? Hey, I'm the talk now. The boy Monday hospital. When his story a tie table. Hey God. Do my drink. Do wanaliye wagakbane usanira la baro iwao rundariya konana yo. Share this video. Keso mo yo pawe wogare egibe pane. Keso mo yo pawe wogare ageliera mo. Keso mo yo pawe. He pay me. What a bullshit. I say no yeri Jesu. No me do yo ukama. The one ni rapona ye na mi biefa. Ala do mi ye yo power papa. O marisi mani we bo. O salera me mani we. Rodaria konana yowa ageli yeragbon yeso mo bo radio power wogare ageli pane yeso mo bo radio power wogare ageli yeragbon yeso mo bo radio power wogare ageli pane yeso mo bo radio power wogare. Obrigado. Iye ọba nọ ibike awawe zukpọ boy baba enwata no waregi so enwata no waregi so enwata no waregi so rundari agbona na riowa adeyi yeragbon ke somo bo wari ọba we wogare de ile pane yes somo bo wari ọba we wogare adeyi yeragbon yes somo bo. Share the video. For all those people they make noise, they talk what they don't know. When I share this video, they call you. Ni magele lo de suye. O de bune suya ya marie. No dagi yak monana yo. And my drink. Wow, damn yo.
You they call live and live.
Watch that video now, get why.
Ciao, benvenuto.
Oh. No. Awa ni megudia oye ya yo webe ya ebi esiwe lora fun sada bowe umembo isewe wapa ibalo imanyo ina harubo isubo eba telo Watch that video now, man. Bye. Me mari eger yak moye. Bakume fiek bebe o. Apokpa. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better Star Wars right there. Please share this video as you heard up play. Better stamina. I'm also told. If I feel learning, man. First of all, let me say a very big thanks to every one of you guys who are sharing my videos. So one of you are man. You guys should always share this video. You get why? Because in every nonsense they say sense. I know see my page get problem. I believe you now. My page get problem. A lot of my fans don't see my videos. But if not they help me, they share the video, they will see them. Because of my godmother, the adulterous godmother where I get. In brother will go through on my page, go post blue film for my page. So because that one they give me suspension for 2 months. So if you know I will do video, but you're not going to see the video. Unless people will say they see them, they're going to help me share them out. You understand? So that's what really happened to my page. So when I go see the picture where I put for up, so this girl with the up, so and then a queen with the answer favor. Now I buy this guy, his boyfriend, his real boyfriend, he's in serious boyfriend. Now be this way they dance so. This boy so now be this one will still be halfway. I put now just be the boy be this one. You understand? That this guy with it dance so this Kelly so now be boyfriend. He and Kelly the date. Kelly na Ewotubu son. Kelly na busha for Ewotubu where they kick out for Ewotubu cattle markets. Many Ewotubu sons and daughters they go know who this guy. Kelly na very calm and very gentle guy. But be say everybody do look. Who don't know Ewotubu cattle markets no day for Ewotubu. We don't know Kelly. A very popular guy for Ewotubu. His sister there for France here. His sister will carry this Kelly come Europe in France. Sister na my top fan. You understand? This you guy will carry come from what's it they call this city itself? Nah, one na Katayan. For Sicily side, now this guy for Pom. They call the date. Can't go meet Kelly for Vicenza. You understand? This is where this in started the date this year. You know when I always give you advice for this my platform, many of them are going to listen or more where they call me for social media. When I go to listen no time more no. I dey always tell them one word say, if you marry a nagging woman, you end up in a beer parlor. But they lash all these girls, all these many girls with this, all these plenty numerous women where I don't sleep with, and they sleep with them. At the end of the day, I see their cry, I go leave them, I go run. You understand? They will come and call they cry. You understand? People go say, oh, they couldn't not see her, they couldn't not see her. It's better I leave them. They not buy me at their life. Then I go to follow them. I can go end my life short. You see, many of them be like this same girl. Many of these women where they cry for media to do it, they be like this girl so. Last one where call the rec, we go pack my things for his iPhone. I talk about this last. Thank God say you don't put my food for house. Give me chop. The way people, the way I sit down now, bring this guy picture come out, right? They say RIP to Kelly. Now so many people for still say RIP to Amozo, RIP to Frank Vito, RIP to Umenwan. We miss you. We like your program. We do this one. Now so many people for still tell me RIP. But because of the grace we are carrying and the God will guide me and my ancestors, none of that happen. Then they make me chase all those men they come. When I see their character, say I don't do again, problem will come. Problem will come. You go imagine when I talk this thing the other time, I said Joe, imagine woman where fit enter your phone, pack all the things, all your secrets, give your enemy, make them beat you. If that can go my girl position to kill you, it's very easy. You go do one. Imagine this woman now. He and a guy get problem. Guy when they knock you, guy when they talk say I love you, I will do it for, I will die for you, I will burn for you. You carry knife, the boss in Bele, the boss Ebola. Shook her for Ebola finish, leave her for house, make it bleed. Rock come out. Ambulance you not call. Make the rush and go hospital. You leave her for hours. The guy is struggle for his life. The whole house feed up with blood. The whole house feed up with blood until his friend come. Worker come. After many hours, this girl they go a point of death. You don't try. You don't lose excess blood. No help. You struggle for life to see help. Nobody feel help. You drag. Nobody feel help. The same woman call his sister for France. Tell his sister, say, your brother get injury, your brother fall. Your brother fall. And only say, na him stab am. What you women they do, man? This thing not hot to, not hot for media now because now woman Kpai man no go hot. Umenwan now knocking your mother. It is viral for the media. People they shout like say a Kpai person. When man do something, it go viral. They go say the Kpai and the wagbe. Woman Kpai man collect man life. Life will not create. They talk about bubu ye. A queenie bawa on a big boyfriend ever. Tell me what go make you bad person. Cheating. He cheat on you and you dey your ass. You give the man RIP. First son of the family. When they jack back from Nigeria, they come abroad, they think say we don't save. Then now they are abroad. Now we call it die like chicken. Inside John, what we say we don't rescue us from inside sea. We don't save. Thank God we don't enter abroad. Now here we call it kpai like chicken. How can you imagine? You and your husband, you and your guy, now get quarrel. On the 7th of this month, that this guy Kpai. After he don't shut up in New Year. He don't happy say he don't enter 2025. Life continue, also continue. He girlfriend, he and the girlfriend get quarrel. Every time I so quarrel. And they tell guys, make una dey hear this thing. Relationship don't be do or die. The guy is already arrested by the police. The guy at the police station, don't arrest him. And I confirm. You know, see Italian reason why they follow best play. Relationship not be do or die. Awuyo is the title. Oh, Bible this man. I do my drink. Now every time they talk and say, this life we do so. Awuyo is the title. You don't see what die for. If you don't work at, move out. If you work at, stay. If you don't work, you move. Inshallah. You get yash. You get breast. Work on your character. On New Year, then I go church with the find life partner. Now I'm going to say, God, give me my husband. I must get my husband. Okay, don't find character, not find husband. Find your character. Because your character will give you husband. Imagine find girls, small girls, they full abroad. Young man like us, they marry our mama. You just say now with the Chris. So we don't know what we define as man. For us to marry our own mates, we go to marry who are older than us. These are the kind of thing. I told you, it is better I be with a grandmother, a great grandmother, with peace and harmony and joy, than to be with a young girl who will cut my life short. If this boy now marry 50 years, 55 years old woman, social media go dey mock and say marry a mama age mate. See age mate na don't buy and don't give her RIP. It don't send her to RIP. A woman who not get character, woman will come and broke on the show, who is not yet settled down, you not even ready to put her down. Yeah, I see the outside here and there. You don't get respect for man. Man go talk 1, go talk 10. Every day they go to settle their relationship. They never marry you for house. Brother, sister, brother-in-law, my sister-in-law don't settle now every time, every minute. So quarter. Oga no want to leave the toto the switch. Sister no want to leave Oga. You give her a rap. Now you don't buy her now. You don't leave her now. Right? You don't get peace of mind now. Whether good or bad, that you come out for prison, you go see man, you go see knack. The doping system must still continue. You must still go meet man. Who lose now? This guy lose. Now Kelly lose. Who don't die, don't go. No matter how many years of sentence they sentence you now. Who don't waste. The mother, the family, they have lost that soul. Forever and ever. If now 1 naira they give money every month, that money don't lost, don't go. If now advice, when money they give another advice is gone. Only I get some for abroad alone, a name. That name is cancelled. Who died, I lose. That is the end. When I see the woman with the bad person, because if you come out for prison, people go to see you the wrong. The woman will fit by your own boyfriend. Stab your own boyfriend with knife. The boy not beat you. The boy not enjoy you. The boy not fight you. After you stab the boy finish, you go hide the knife on that cupboard. Police have to start doing investigation on what by the guy. Before they come to the stabber, they call it find knife. They have to turn the house upside down for the get where put knife. And after the arrest, before you can confess, say, now self-defense. Because why? If you're wrong, people already tell us, okay, see what you go talk, in case they ask a question. Now self-defense. So self-defense, you can't fit by you can't buy a whole grown-up man, a whole gallant man. You will be woman. You can carry knife. Wait till the guy carry wake up the self-defense. The guy carry cutlass. You can carry knife. Or the guy carry gun. You can carry knife. No, I don't feel imagine. This kind of person now. Let's assume say 12 on the quarrel. I'll beat you. You can't carry knife. You go to look say I'll beat you. You can't stand. Oh, you shook me now. Or you can't shook up a prick. Abi? Are you serious? Tell us what you do this guy. Whether you put her to sleep, face already shook him. Because with the guy, I clear eye. When you know the kind of woman where you be, when they date, see that woman will get anger. You get that spirit of anger. You don't go see you carry knife, they come, walk, shook him, may allow you shook him. So definitely, there is things you do to this guy will make you figure out time to stab up a prick. And you go bad now, say now, message from another girlfriend, enter phone, or call where you receive from another girlfriend or from another woman, now enter phone, will lead to this death. If to say God go feel wake this girl now, may you ask God, what happen? You don't go pass a call. We come from phone, from another woman or a girlfriend or a toaster or whatever. Will lead to you will be the wife with this ass. They fight who you know they see. They because of who you know they see. By your husband, by your boyfriend. Many of them when they watch me so now they involve on these things. Una go because of phone call, messages we call your husband phone. Because of that one, you go to scatter your own house where you don't build. Impatience. What is impatient they lead to? Now be all this kind of thing. This bola you can never finish it. If you like, may you do it from January to December. Ekeno yoyi. Ohono wegele kan wegele do. Ekeni kebe yoyi. Ekeni kya yoyi. Who go get her forever must definitely get her forever. You jealous you purpose you not purpose you. Who get her I go get her. The reason why many women they remain single, now be this one. You imagine that this guy they are alive. After you stab and finish, they can't feel rescue one. They can't heal her. It can't wear. You think say this guy will marry you again? Even though you born for her, you born 20 children for her, you think say this guy will ever marry you again? Automatically you talk to a single mother. It has happened to many of you guys out there watching this video. Especially go TikTok now, go see them for TikTok. Then he did their body woto. Did they judge other people? Many of them they judge this woman now. Many when they judge this woman for TikTok, they are single mothers. What happened to your husband, madam? How did your husband leave you? He told her body. Everybody gets story to tell us. In one way or the other. Whether through jealousy, through fight, or through snatching of husband or whatever. Judge wisely before you judge people. Yes, definitely. And then now who are label? You can imagine a woman. These things happens in abroad. If Naija don't go do this nonsense, we do so. If Naija, he not go try this nonsense, or it must not they abroad. Women, this thing go to their brain, say that they abroad, they get upper hand, security they here tight, you know. Then they talk to their man anyhow. The lack of respect to their man. Men can't be like rat to go before abroad. You know, so you be African woman, you be Nigeria woman. You know how where we are coming from. You know where you are coming from. For your mama and your pa house, your mama they obey your father. But for abroad, now man they obey you. You are a mugger. You are a mugger. They go say who does that? English where you hear for Nollywood, for Tonto Dike match. Who does that? All till today, Tonto Dike is still a single mother. You want to go copy Tonto Dike. At the end of the day, you go they scatter your home. They go. They scatter yourself. They bring yourself. They give yourself bad name. Just imagine this useless queen of favor. All the two names they call you a useless name to you. Because a queen will not act this kind of evil act. Somebody with God favor, not go kill your husband. Now devil favor you. Person with God favor, not go buy your husband. With knife. Now see what see where they wear some women. If I they wear them, they go the verse say, I they beat women, I they beat women, I they beat women because of all this nonsense. See, few months now, a year now, we are not to leave all these women now in peace. May they for see breathe. Now they buy man up and down. They buy man up and down. They buy men now like say that chicken. They slaughter men like say they slaughter Christmas chicken. Because now when they put them for their quick woto, as they put them for the body, they hide the correct small. What about shit? You imagine this kind of nonsense. You will imagine this kind of nonsense. Man, we come abroad, come hustle life. In your sister, let's remove her hands based on struggle. Money no dey me call for better life for our family. Papa don't retire abroad. Now guy, now street guy. Now cattle market for what to do. Now this guy for the kick out. I want to cattle market. Now Kelly for the kick out for what to do. Nobody will not know Kelly. For what to do. Young girl, you mean, come on. Oh, and we. I'm gonna get away with more. Also, as a man, I dey tell her this thing. Now they believe me. As a guy, man for John, get sense. You there abroad, you not get sense. You can never wise. You just be like who the Lagos will not get sense. You can never wise again. Who did this abroad, you not get sense. But brother, you know if you wise again. Everything you go for wise. For a test of money, you go wise. Test of women, you go tier eye. Because most of these women where they abroad, some of them are beasts. If you don't know, make a test you. See, alpha. You think it's easy for a woman to carry a bag, dress naked for nights, go sleep for train station. When you sleep, they snore. As you dey when they snore, you dey dream, they fear for the dream we dream. Now you go see woman go dey combine station inside garden for middle of night. Only one go there. They find one can sleep with them, they give her money. Whether our ancestors they come, whether our Sharon they come, Moses and Wisdom they come, Ancients of they come. Only you don't know anybody, so when you just bring the money, come in, open, enter, swim, bath, come out. Baba, you can't marry that kind of woman for us. You need to be smart because why? Their brain don't skip. Most of their brain don't skip. You get what the reason. You know the reason like that. You go take God's grace for you to get the one who say their head still okay. You understand? So Gamma has to follow that kind of woman. They use your brain. Don't let you follow the shadow. Don't let you follow the whole ground. Because why? If you follow the whole ground, you not get what they fear. The way you pass the behind abroad, or you not fear that sea. Now, so they don't fear anything because you don't see 99, you don't fear 100. The same way they see 99, they don't fear 100. You know why? Because for them to come out for nights, they do a little show. My brother, they don't see 99, they don't see wizard, they don't see wizard. Now you, when you confess up because you put them for us, then they want coffee here. No level for you, bro. Not be joke. Not be joke. Kokobiri con, Gambia con, Senegal con, Morocco con, all of the pugbola for their quickos. Now you don't want to fear for one small penny where you get. Prosto, use your brain, no, not be joke. When they follow women, they use your brain for abroad. That's why they say, as they follow this for Degby, at the basic. When I say they want to skip, I go move. They want to skip, I go move. They want see that one way. You can just imagine that one way, they papillona. But later, we call it. When they come and call the confess for social media, that's when you come my house. That's when you do live over here. That's when you do this one. You understand? But what to say, me not reason all those things. So last, I shop up now and move. And me, because why? They are not go area. They are those kind of women. Their brains they skip. You just say men, all men, they're stupid. They're not see, men get sense. It's just that someone they use their brain well. What to make you talk to go You say man don't like picking. Men they will like children. How you go born from one thing, the man go see leave you. You don't check your character what you do the man. Many of us go no, this is where they tell you not truth. And they give us vibes. Now we know. Many of our women for abroad, but they don't check based on ourselves first. You understand? You go see man after all this rubbish we want to do for abroad. All the money when you hustle for road work now, you're paying to train. Not be me, you use a train. Not my picking, use a train. Use a train your father, train your siblings for us. Last I can say marry for us. You call the voice. You call the misbehave. No, we tell ourselves the truth. Many of the men we marry for abroad, now remnants we marry. Remnants, now we marry. But we decide to keep calm. Now we go see the guy get my carry knife and kill the man. We marry remnants for us. You use 50 years to do a shower for road work. For 1 to 2. The man say come out cost to pay your bride price. Come marry you. Cost you 7 you go for her. You think it's a joke? They go do your picking like that. And the end of the day, now say come and call it back by the man. Call it stab man. See when I change in a way this year. When I change in a character. All this old cargo women. When I change in a attitude. When I change the character, I'm not gonna like me. Not the truth, I'm gonna tell you the truth. And I buy person picking like that today. All the women that they don't call. Maybe this is the man I'm not by this girl now. Maybe they see the way social media they breathe smoke come out. All this useless presenter they talk about this man by picking. See my way use that stab your wife for Germany. You know how many years that video take viral. You know how many places that video. And the man see the prison now. Opposite the man they prison. You know how many Igbo man you know that video take viral. What do you want to tell me? I want to baby go somebody tell you. When I change in a character, we're not supposed to worship men. Why worship people? Because here, we're not there here. Some of us not even do this at this time. We're not at those level. They will come here. We not even reason what we not do here. We not even reason what the Carona come here. We'll see okay, we'll follow up. We saw. When I want to marry you. This one our family, this one our people, this one our Nigeria people, this one our Benin person. Okay, we'll marry you for us. You want to dictate for the man. You want to rule the man, you want to ride the man. Who does that? Why you don't ride those men where you need for road work? All the money when you work for road work, use that to enrich your family. The man you want to start for square zero. Still now go see the worry the man, not give the man peace of mind. For the man mess once minute, for the man peace once minute. For the man shopping once a minute. Not let her get us of mind. This is when you call where you talking now. You just later abroad. You never friend 20 women. You never friend 30 women. You never friend 40 women. You never friend 1,000 women. Where you don't knock more than 2,000, more than 20,000 bola. Since decades of years when you don't be abroad. You just see with one side chick. You go to blow off. You go to verse. You're carrying that from you're going to end the life. That was my life. Man, at that street now. May you let the man be. What is it, because if men say, "Mo your quarrel," see, mo your keep on quiet. So, mo respect myself. All these useless women, mo respect myself, eh? Mo respect myself. This is my area guy. Now my own area guy. So my own to guy with this one. When this solo show will not get sense, go end the life. Just go end the life, just like that. You will be a shadow. When that girl, maybe even the Kelly, the Boo said, the Kelly was Zuase. Dog, when I saga, Kelly, saga, eh? How can you imagine? You will be guy, man, woman call stab you. Oh, you know, I don't go feel joy because I don't know what he do to you first. Women are too powerful. I don't know what he do to you because you don't fit anything with your crow eye like this, 2 eye up for ground. You see woman carrying knife, they come shook you, you call the looker. You know if he play now for Kelly will be busher. You know we play. You know if he play. Something is wrong somewhere. That's why the autopsy need to be done very carefully. When they know waiting if they give and drink. Because I hear say the boy don't drink. So definitely now something you give this boy drink will make you feel carry knife shoot Kelly. As gallant Kelly, where I know. Now something you give the boy drink will make you feel carry knife shoot him. Because normal ground, you know if you open eye, you look Kelly face like they say you want to Kelly. Kelly not, even on a normal ground, Kelly not go deal with you for that house when you and Kelly they get issue. If you get issue with this guy, they move. You know they stay. Oh, you go your leave you. Because you know you want to talk. They don't want. If you get issue with her, you go your leave you. You go to talk for them. So before you Kelly can't stand, you can't shoot Kelly. Something is wrong somewhere. There is something what this woman do to this man before he buy him. Now, tell me, what is she gain now? You buy your husband. Congratulations, my sister. A very good congratulations to you. You've win award. I need to give you an award of a drink. Now you jealous pass. You don't use jealousness now. Jealousness take by your husband for this new year. Bo body boy. Favor body boy. Favor bo body boy. Bo body joy. Nah, that is if you pay me, shall not be lie. Because why not go fit saga the parents of this girl? Yeah, I thought why not go fit saga the parents. Ije no be your mona. If you na do have me bogbiyan. You don't say you have the family with you have your body family with social media. You give a bundo bashawo. When you don't do any obo yama. That's true. Yes. Many of them are there abroad here. Nobody match na this thing. Ejuwa iruwa ma wa nwa we obo. Eruwa vijuwa all giwa hu. Your parents is a very calm and gentle family. Bet watobuwa. Ni ma to si. Oye be yira. Eri ma ozeri me do obo eri ma do boy. E ma obra na meri. It is only give we no. You understand me now? Because they can't be a judge. That's the reason why I will not come and insult your father now, or insult your mother, or insult your family. Because why? Your family might be a responsible family. Why you come here? Because of the friends, people, the friends to Adbaso say, the roadside, the show, a shower, you will now have a different mentality. Because why you can't know why world wise, you want to be like Oyibo, you can forget your skin, say, you be Baki. Madam, before you be like Oyibo, first go bleach your intestine, bleach your mindset. And the truth. They hardly see Oyibo when they buy their wife, they buy their husband. They have. Throughout last year and this year. It no day like that. Now, so darky, I know if it can't. You understand me now? It is very, very painful. I like we boo. The mother gwali go, I don't go to mama boom. So nobody go, no need grammar to me. At the end of the day, he want the boy he wulu. This is very, very sad. This is very, very bad. This is an upside down arrangement. Kelly, may your soul rest in peace. It's so painful. It is so painful. For real, it's so painful. With a Kelly, wow, video. Oh, damn it, Kelly, I know. Oh. Russia, I feel like crying right now. You see, not be loud. It is so painful and for real, not make sense. So please, guys, share this video. Share this video. Understand? Yes. Some of you are doing my drink this month. Then I will come here. Also, yeah, normal level. I want to talk about Kelly finish. After I talk about Kelly finish, I'll go YouTube. Just now, I'll go YouTube. I'll go talk about my godmother, the adulterous godmother, Mama Ego, the show woman. The Yego is equivalent as this woman. Favor. The Yego, we get down on Yego or go favor now. Get down on Yego or go favor. If not for God, you go at Bewane. You understand? I mean, even you go big order for no cow. The first husband of Biana, you got Bena. Or you know it about it. With destiny, you know, the first husband who that's his destiny, that's his calling. You see life. And God will help us. You can't know who they follow. You go imagine, you go tell me all those kind of stories, those rough stories. You understand? I mean, I have a woman, I have a man aware. I mean, not there in life. You need to be smart. If not my smartness, how you can be You understand? You can know the no agua. You can hear zero. And everybody, even one you say live video. Now one old woman, I go to the house. We are you day where I'm here. One year is strong and we what. We are you bobo. If you say if we are bam, I go even off a labor mate. Oh God. Yeah, well, maybe need to fuck almost. You know, the way got to punish him. Somebody punish you. I think this guy for me punish him. So now they want the boy they didn't know what 70 years. So they don't even tell who in a kid and Ziku. We tower. Wonderful. Hey, what about shit? If Frankie was a walk, we're wooing. Who is so here 90 years. My brother, and what? If I agree, we almost war. Young one, when you don't tell me, I mean, the way you were in the attack bear. Well, when we are go, not much go. Wonderful. Emata, oh, tell me we are lappy. Lapia jalo, stretch back in Valeria, taga. We neck me, when I yak me, so like me. Oh my God, why can be fara. Oh God. You are really why I don't know what a papilolo, or what a papilolo, Jamani, or dig me one of Jamani. What, my brother, boy. Well, only a year ago, our Germany, our Landsberg links in Germany, under Bayan. What? No, I Makasha will have him, Makasha Yagame. You know, we are here, big, oh, here, oh, Vita Bema, Vita Bema, oh, miam, oh, papa, any other giving Inale, I run for my dear life. Run for your life. He me will like to assassinate to Tiri for me. I run. Hey, my brother. Oh, let me want to knock my go and they ask myself, on the Megit, oh, Frankie, you know, I never want to. I still want to do doggy. That's what I do. My evil doggy. Me a king. You will men. On a wit of me, men. On a wit of me, oh, men. On a with the way, yo, Baba, is just jolly. Si start with the Thomas, you can't keep it for yo, be your men. I'll be the cabin. Let me go to YouTube. YouTube, but I have your body. Here you go. Oh, I told you my phone. I said, Storyman is no retreat, no surrender. 135 years. We die here. I bought like you for national peace story. I personally borrow leg. I run for my life. I run for my life. Now imagine. Kelly no use brain. Say Kelly using brain. Kelly for their life today. For their life today. He pay me for Kelly. Pay me, Sha. This is where I mean so recipes. For those of you now, with the insult or the talk with not the body. Not be like that. You know, sister, I have very, very good fans. He's one of the biggest callers for this my platform. All of you know him. All of you know his sister for my platform. I even get guys' name where they call his sister for my platform. If I mention a guy's name, all of you know will just know like she. One of the biggest fans for this platform. If he call for this platform, they saga me. You understand? None of them, no, the what's I just call it just now, bam. I don't really know. That's the one that say this thing they go on this on the 7th or the 8th. I don't see him for my platform again. I don't see him for my platform again. I don't see him. I say, what did they happen? I'm not going to see him for my platform. What did they happen? I don't see again. I don't comment again. When they share my video again, if I can say, hey, don't say it. My brother be this one. A junior brother. Change city. Once you go see the worry man. Change your city. If you stay for if you do one city, it's not clear for you. You go change city. Go change city. Men to the use brain to do things for this life. Now Verona nowadays. Verona nowadays. Why see as Verona not clear for me? Now I move. Now Rome my day so. All na Italy. Now Rome na Conde now. Thank God say I did Rome. I did Rome. Things change. No, if you ask yourself question without now the similar not going to be different. When I did Verona, that's why I be. So I be. I call Roma. My life changed. I got married. I'm living good. Everything for me for now. Everything I did okay. So what are we saying? Change city. Just the one place there. We go at the end of that. You talk back. If I said they go Verona, no. I'm going to check ticket. I buy ticket. Carry my bag and go to the station. Buy ticket. Before how many hours? 4 hours. Or 3 hours plus. I don't do Verona. If I come Verona, you know, no be Verona already. So you get money for ticket. And fast train, you vim 4 hours done there. Still go with your school. Half hour. You get back where you go before 30 minutes. Me don't. Half. Long time we worry more for. We just still blend. These are your area. These are your men. You don't still blend sharp. As a guy man, you don't do things. Don't be greedy man. If you be greedy man, you come out. I'm not getting that. I'm not getting that. We be being with now when they play. Let's remember what they give. What they ball. You're being with you not with no dominant. But by land, you see me go fall out. Oh, me go fall out. Then one day with you. You the ball. Not going to enjoy yourself. They go. Everywhere goes to you. Like nothing that is abroad. If you like. Epa staging, because many of our guys, I know many of my guys will say their hand as they be. Baba last. Who they give you go still pass you. Because who they give you, where you know they give, they already pass you, they'll pass you, bros. That one thing we supposed to know. Into get, never can they give you. You when they feel say they steal, they keep it, they save, Baba save. It's good to save last. who they give so now God bless pass you will be agon. Density, may life change for you. Oh, still want to play this thing now. All of them when they wait their life when they watch this video, so and now they get all this advice and they use this guy video now. This guy like death they advise many of our guys out there, and most of all these women when they get anger, unnecessary anger, when they easily provoked. They easily provoke when they talk anyhow. You understand? But I don't love myself. Oh, I swear to God, I too go love myself. You know why? I use my brain normally, even when I'm supposed to use them. That's why they say all this money they invest for me. They could definitely invest for me because you know why? The moving train. As they want to ride me, I go ride you off to the next tree. That is me. You want to ride me? I go ride you off. I go enter the next train, sharply to the next door. Very simple. For abroad, we go be like Sansan. As money now water, so we be Sansan for abroad. Now you could let one woman they follow you, they shot. Go where they fight. What's it not the fight for? You more never pay bride price. And they follow the shot, you be on dead now. Let our shot finish. After I open door for me move. If I move, may you move. I better be in the street, they hustle, they look for how to get to pull head. I better they sleep train station with peace and harmony. That today with my house where they nag. My brother, who they trust they live well and they enjoy people. Go terminate train station, go see people, go see men. They carry duvet, they cover body for train station there. Sleep, they breathe, they go blood on the bath up, they wash hand, wash leg with water. Go public tap, wash leg. Enter street, they beg, they also they find daily bread, what they want to eat. Life goes on. Life goes on. That they stay with woman, get young, she get breast at the end of the day, no level. If you get money, enter hotel, carry guests, enter. Be quiet, 50 euro, 30 euro, don't fuck, don't enter. Just be quiet, don't enjoy yourself normally, fall out again, enter streets. What are you saying? No, so because of picking on men from responsibility, men become responsible. Who they marry woman? Who's supposed to marry woman? Don't be person when you're from responsible, you get wife, get children. Why you marry yourself? Woman have no problem. You go get excess of spending. If we define woman for you, don't go like nobody go like to marry woman again. If I settle down as me, I define woman. Me, I tell you the disadvantage of having a woman in your life. You go know nobody go like to marry. No, even for this abroad, so if I just sit down now, but they like to be, they can really condemn many men hearts against women. Tell you the disadvantage of having a woman in your life. Nobody could spend 1 hour for a woman again. They will say one date woman. Then still, you see woman go see the Kpai man, go see get the mind. They shoot knife, carry knife, shoot your own husband. It makes sense. It makes sense. Young man will be say right from Benin, the guy they also. If a man call they go they kick out. John Aboki they kick out. For what to put na charge play. Maybe if not go thief. Person see opportunity enter jant finish. Don't get us from mask. I don't stay enter jant. Woman, you shook for your belly by you. It don't make sense at all. It's very painful. The more than a day hospital now. I should tell them the more than the hospital. This be man at the hospital. The woman never get herself. It's simply all of them are so weak. Only your sister that they are abroad, you know. This is another difference. Next week now. Next week, right? Today's 11. Next 2 weeks, yeah. Taking off how to bury this guy. Not to bury him. Wait till a year. The family so it's very, very bad, very, very sad. Very, very sad. Kasi ko have brother, I don't enter John. So now you find the life is one. Hey God, voila. But it's so good. Put that for brother, better for Nigeria. That's the truth. Who die for abroad, they better pass who die for Nigeria. That's number one. Who go prison for abroad, they better pass who dey prison. Who dey Aso Rock for Nigeria? Who dey prison for abroad, it better pass who dey live for Aso Rock for Nigeria. I'm telling you the truth. No reason now. This girl they live well for that prison where they so. It's just the truth. Nobody they beat her. And you go decide the kind of prison where you want to go. If you want to stay alone inside a room for prison, now she go decide. If you want to deal with mixed people, now she go decide. She go get TV, go watch TV, go back, go shower, better bed, go do better bed. Heater go work well, AC go work well for prison, and they will pay her. So abroad they stupid, I swear to God. Abroad they stupid. Wallahi salam alaikum. You see, at school starts so go prison. Who get prison now? Morocco. If you go prison now for Deutschland, you go see Morocco full side prison. Once school don't start, they go create scene. Look at they go prison. You understand? So, and you can choose where you want to stay. If you want to stay alone, your own personal private room, you go right. Your day private room, they go give you your private room. Only one will be there. If you want to live with people, you will live. If you want to do exercise, you want to learn football, you want to play football, anything, everything this is prison. So, who they live for prison for abroad, they better pass who they stay for Aso Rock for Abuja. I'm telling you, enjoy pass. Your 3 times square meal must complete. 3 square meal a day must complete for. They will still pay you money join. It's not crazy. At least a week they get 35. Like then a week they get 35 euro. 35 euro change that to Nigeria currency. A big pass policeman money. 35 euro. How much is 35 euro compared to Nigeria naira? Tell me how much is 35 euro compared to naira. This one now 2000. What that was 2018. 2018. Oh. 2018, 35 euro. Then 35 euro. Then they pay them now. Maybe by that time, don't make it already 40 or 50 euro for 1 week. Convert that to how much in Nigerian money? You go see and say, man, it's better you just do the prison yourself, they enjoy yourself, they pay the money clear. You feel me so? So guys, it's so sad, man. It's really sad. I'm not lie you. It's really sad seeing a great guy like that just end the life because of a 2-2. 3-2. Because of allergy. Greater glory, I greet you. I greet you with better style. I'm marrying what to do. These people, they make person this sad sometimes. I understand. I mean, not by now. To see, man go there abroad, go saying get girlfriend will Kpai you. Things do somehow, not be loud. Things shock my left nipple. I tell you, say my nipple never stand well since yesterday. So they hear this part of Facebook. I said, I'm not. You never know that person I even know. Never know that person we even know. I said, normal. All those poor people. They never even focus me and even listen to them. See this morning. Say sure. Hear me, hear me, message to adulterous ego adulterous mama Mamu ego. Mamu ego. Parts 6 Yowa Sinagdansa Yowa Iya de Wallahi salam alaikum. Let's go. Oh, let's say I go buy my bra today. I don't know where I put my bra. Understand? I don't know where I put my bra because I have to be dressed like a Yego right now. Because this saga is going to be on that brand new style. Capital, we are going to dress like Mama Yego. I'll go shave all this my BS. So I have to do my proper makeup. I've invited a makeup artist. So definitely by next week. Or if I need makeup artist in the market chance, if you don't get chance, I can't do it myself. I'll strip. I'm not the makeup myself. So I'll film make my go up. The way my go to the makeup, I'll make her. Can't do this one. So I don't buy all my makeup things. So see the lead. See the lead with the vion. I don't go buy markets. See the pancake. Not go play. I serious. You go my way no. Me well. Maybe everything do bro. Every year I go where. You go. You don't know anything. Now when they care, you're walking and worse. This our makeup. Oh my God, I go play. I go pull hands. Next time I go pull hand. Nago pull hand. Ladies gentlemen, nago pull hand. Here go the adulterous Olososho. Igbeagiano, one of Landsberg links, Germany. Igbeagi Landsberg links in Germany. Igbeagi Landsberg links yo Germany. Here go the Igbeagi Landsberg. Don't not. I agree to now, but that's time, my lovely people. My lovely people. Not yet. Till I press a go live on YouTube. I wanted to press go live. I got it live. You know, I got it live. If you pick toilets, because if you see, I don't abandon. If you, when we can ask you exactly, I've made my ways, and that's final. You and I can never be friends again. Igbo, call your money. It's my business. It's not my business. If you don't play, Umenwan, you might go. So Umenwan will go wipe one lock up because you don't body your way or law rugged way. Ebo mi vio mo yive mami ebo mi vio mo. Igbo left you or let's say you why you. Igbo left you. Mami Igbo left you. Igbo left you. Igbo left you or let's say you why you. Igbo left you. Why? There's a laugh with you. If I provoke as your food the bed soon. My own not the bend. They talk my for the streets. For me, I leave you because you're not my target. My target is Mama Ego. And that woman, iye joy. Obokun lala. Alalwe asu. Iye joy. So right now, a video di me ya gbe mommy let love lead. Ewe ya pe plan mo do ya gbe mommy let love lead ya analyze. You are a useless woman. Yes. I, Umenwan, the social media king. I am proving it and I'm saying it live and direct now. Iye go, iye joy. I know who wanna. So, again, wahana bo border the let love leads. They buy Rovi me. Wana give me wana team mozo. Now, if I am watching you because you can't see a boy, no more about coming to a boy in my live video. Anybody, maybe not soon now, my matter. When I want to buy a book on the society. At the end, if I love by bidding, what do movie do me a bonny? But I love I go here, but all love water was soon. Why you are beer waving? Hello? Hello? Okay, well, I'll go here.
Hello.
Ida yo speaker, mo speaker na.
Na mo speaker ni guvie kwa.
Okay, go.
If you lare wala wo egbe no kivie. Ni e ha mu wa egbe no kivie ga Epa Umenwan. We egeni vie be Epa Umenwan na aro. Epa Umenwan ga seto ya mo vigbo. Na Epa Umenwan ya won e ifie no la gogo na e calling egbe no kivie. Egbe kivie ifie ma you da vigbo since last year why am you ifie bo da vigbo a no ya why de ba no ya ri uri mi amere mi no gbe kele Epa Umenwan me ya se tun ya mo vigbo pa no life egbe because Epa Umenwan te se tun ya vigbo ni vie no vigbo ya mi vie for na nobody no gi se tun ya oni apapa no life egbe.
You are very correct.
Only apapa no life egbe.
You are very correct.
If you wa go straight to one of the river go. If you what get me effect no omo no what get me effect omo no le kwa social media. When we are deal with effect. Do Epa Umenwan or you deal with effect where you are. We no do pretty no na gbe social media. We just people of the river no mu se na gbe. What when the fit get the Epa Umenwan ko. Wa gbe. If you 2025 we are pressing your few more larger than Christmas. If your way if you 2025 we go more your few more larger 2025 avec bana if you moya set on you if you the way you go save if you go the way me say e Monica also we me 4 years na ne Monica also we me you were other area you were no bo kan ya we for no ga ilaba ni no to ye esiga ba nyo ya mu de kan ya we ye laba ni dia ivie if ye we ye laba ni dia if ye mo ya fefe ya wo celebrate birthday afie cake kugbe iso mo fie cake kugbe if ye Facebook na celebrate of you birthday if ye ne kwemu wa from the social media mo ya from we ya gba o mo ife if you Facebook na go with birthday if you want we call of you where we are call of we not your mua if you with that call of omo you will be omo not your we are call of mua omo na ya call rane no ya emi rane before you have came we call we if you didn't when me be can save you omo we be didn't when me say you show money ko emu not you show money ko emu omo ku ekuje gwegun because I thought just with me.
Yes.
I thought with me.